Good morning. Just after sunrise. It's a pretty chilly day. There's lots of frost about, and all the lovely bird song. Lots of lovely bird song, and it's a spring day. The traffic noise seems to be travelling quite a lot further as well. It's quite loud here today, which I think may indicate a temperature inversion. That's just causing the sounds to travel a bit further than they would normally do. So sort of bouncing around in a sort of lower layer of atmosphere. It's just a lovely time to connect with nature, and I think a lot of people at the moment are realising that actually getting outdoors into nature is essential for our well-being. It's not something that's nice to have. It's actually, in some way connecting with nature, even if it's through a window, through a picture, even just on the television. But ideally, actually, in some way, outdoors, so you can hear and see and feel and smell our natural surroundings is really a key ingredient to our physical and mental well-being. That we are part of nature and it's part of us. We are nature. It's that simple. And we actually need not to be locked up indoors, if at all possible. So just very lucky to be able to spend a little bit of time every day just out in the garden. That's really as far as we're getting, but we do have a garden. But for people that maybe are in flats or sort of have a much more limited outdoor space, even just opening a window, and you will find that there is nature there. Even, just looking to the sky, or the sort of lichen on the windowsill. There's always something. Your own pot plants and things. It doesn't have to be a sort of big, expansive mountain. It can be really the small, simple things. Just taking these lovely trees as well. There's one over here, just a lovely big old oak tree. Well, it's not that old, but as far as oak trees go, but it's pretty old. Older than me. Sure. Yes, I was just reflecting on the fact that pretty much every instance of whenever I felt awe or wonder, and the things that I would term a sort of spiritual experience, they've been about connection. It's been about connecting with nature, probably most of the time for me, but often with people as well. And actually, if our lives don't have those experiences in them, those moments of connection, however fleeting, the feeling you get from doing something for somebody else without them even knowing, the feeling of really pure love for another human being, or the feelings from all sorts of experiences of connection in nature. There's a couple of woodpeckers in the tree there, I've just noticed. But yes, those feelings are a key part, I feel, of the human experience there. And actually pretty easy to come by through nature connection. I wonder if those two woodpeckers will come back. I think they're greater spotted woodpeckers, most certainly. And they're a local, I think, pair. No, I think they may have gone. But, I'll leave you with the lovely bird song for a few seconds.